start my sharing of my experiences with the quotation from our ex-president APJ Abdul Kalam. In a knowledge society, we have to make innovations that too in continuity. Innovation can start anywhere, from a fisher's hut, from a farmer's household, or a classroom, or a lab in university, or an industry, or an RD sector. Unquote. This is the theme which he has given while inaugurating one of the session for entrepreneurial development. He further, innovation and entrepreneurship are two sides of the same coin. Once there is creativity, innovation, the person who has a creativity, he can become entrepreneur. There is a need to create an environment for entrepreneur. When I shifted to Chandigarh in '68, I have the number down. Pencher wala was beside small pencher wala. He was pencher wala in '68. Today I am going to retire from my services next year. The same pencher wala is there as pencher wala. And such a perfect boy he is. He knows everything. Over a period of going to be 4 decades, the pencher wala remains pencher wala. Today we have ITI in Punjab. There are more than 12 ITIs. Building they have constructed. There is no care for that. Later on they are renting out. Bullepur, Khanna, ITI building rented out to Indira Gandhi National Open University. From where we are starting, where we are going, what is our planning, what is our vision, what is our objective, to whom we are going to serve. The latest giving hurdle-free life. First we eliminated 5th class board, then 8th, then 10th. Going to be, when there is no hurdle, how the player will understand how to jump. Giving a road so smooth, no threat of accident, how you will drive with the skill. Removing every hurdle, funding in villages, money for that, creating crisis for industry. People have started getting money in their villages. Nobody is monitoring what they are doing. In my city at Ludhiana, the person who migrated from Bihar as a simple laborer, he is now industrialist. He is now MLA. Where we are giving now, stay in village, we will give you job, money for your unemployment, money for this. It is going to be crisis for labor in all the industrial towns. So I am sharing with you, there is a need for, as the topic, new initiatives for entrepreneurship and industry institute interface. entrepreneurship development. Three dimensions are there. If I want, as he is quoting Japan, there is an environment. In my country, there must be proper environment for entrepreneurship development. There must be adequate motivations. There must be proper behavior of individual. Only then entrepreneur development can be there. In my country, since independence, we could not generate proper environment. There is a need for proper environment. One condition is, if you have to loan, you must be 10th class pass. Hurdle is there. 10th class pass, only you are eligible for loan. My venture wala is a technically skilled person, perfect, but not 10th class pass. He is financing the project through money lender. Whatever the profit is earning, it is flowing in shape of interest to money lender. The day I shifted to Chandigarh, 68, he was a pension wala. I am going to complete my earning, he is a pension wala. नंबरेटा से चला था, गाड़ी बड़ी पे आ चुका हूँ, पेंशन उस पर लगाने जाता हूँ. हर बार ही अपनी एक कहानी को सुनाता है. कंडीशन बैंकर 10th class पास नहीं है. There is a need for initiative to those who have the skill. After 10 years, they must be considered a diploma holder. Let the organizations. जो builder है, he is a perfect person, but without degree. Rajiv Gandhi proposed the plan that we should certify what is the system in ITI. ITI पेंशन लगाने वाला वेल्डर कितना सीख लेता है? एक अनपढ़ वेल्डर is more experienced than that educated man. We started a scheme. Let there be admission to BA Part 1 or graduation in Indira Gandhi National Open University, in open school for +1. We have measured the IQ level of 10+1 student. After passing out 10th, what is his IQ? We ask the question from 10+1. We ask the question who is not 10+1. Same question. After 10+1, first question, where is the Taj Mahal? To 10th class pass. Where is Taj Mahal? 4 options were there. Delhi, Agra, Lucknow, Ahmedabad. 10th class pass, he is searching. इससे पूछा बता भाई, हंस रहा है. 50-year-old person कि ताजमहल यार 3 बार तो LTC ले चुका हूँ, ताजमहल को मैं देख चुका हूँ, पूछ रहे हो कहाँ है? He is replying, सर ये कोई क्वेश्चन है? 3 बार LTC ले चुका हूँ, ताजमहल मैंने देख लिया है, आगरे में है, क्या इसको पूछ रहे हो आप मुझसे? Then we inquired how MLA is elected. Same question. ये फिर हंस रहा है कि सर 5 बार वोट डाल चुका हूँ जी, क्या पूछी जा रहे हो बार बार? Every question, his IQ is much higher because on account of experience. We gave him admission in 10+1. Problem was language. कोई इंग्लिश नहीं जानता, We started giving knowledge in Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Urdu, Punjabi, Hindi, let it be. Now the boy which he was entered here, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, he was a TN in Syndicate Bank. Now he is a manager. After going through this, he did BA from Punjab University, part 1, part 2, part 3. Then he did MA. Now he is a manager in Syndicate Bank. What is required? Initiative for entrepreneur. Remove this educational barrier. Let the pension wala be eligible to get loan from bank. Remove this hurdle. Money is the biggest factor which is creating hurdle for development of entrepreneur. Dr. Reddy, Hyderabad based company, started their plant at Bhaddi in Himachal. Such a sophisticated plant. One of the conditions at Himachal Pradesh is 70% non-technical must be Himachali. Non-technical persons in the plant employment must go to Himachali. Then they will give you land at subsidized rate. There was a problem. The management at the top, they were under tension. What the hell we have started? So, good luck, bad luck. The production manager was our alumnus from Punjab University. He said, we are first guy. I am the site in charge. अब हिमाचली सारे हिमाचल में फार्मास्यूटिकल इंस्टीट्यूट ही नहीं है. Where to go? How to select? Then I said, what's the problem? किसको रखूं? Then I said, what's your problem? You let me know. What type of person you are in need of? He'll jot down what are the job profile of the person from there who is in need of. Job profile we have drafted. Then what type of knowledge is required to the person concerned. On the basis of this, I said, let me do one experiment. We selected on the basis of my calculations, select 10 plus 2 students from science background. Because it is my belief that there is no correlation between education and intelligence. Every educated person is not intelligent. Otherwise, Gyani Jail Singh pride and namalta. Otherwise, Abraham Lincoln pride and namalta. Otherwise, Shakespeare. So it is my firm belief. On that theory, I requested my friend, let's do another experiment. Let's select boys, girls who have 10 plus 2 above 70%, above 60% from everywhere throughout the Himachal. We selected a batch of 60 children. I drafted the syllabus as per job profile. We had a meeting, series of meeting with the Dr. Reddy. What is our requirement? वो कह रहा थोड़ा सा इनको फार्मेसी सिखा दे यार, थोड़ा सा इनको मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग सिखाएं, थोड़ा सा इनको फ्यूज लगाना भी सिखाना इलेक्ट्रिकल का, थोड़ा सा कंप्यूटर भी सिखा दे, थोड़ी इनकी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इंप्रूव कर दे, थोड़ा सा इनका बिहेवियर पर्सनैलिटी कर देना। ये रिस्की 60% वेटेज हेयर, 10% हेयर, 10% हेयर, 10% हेयर, 10% हेयर, तो चरंगा सा चार बना दिया, राइट। I gave them invitation to now hand over this 60 children to me. My faculty from pharmaceutical department, their persons, we sit together. We drafted a syllabus, then computer, then this. It was 45 days training at Punjab University, starting at 6 a.m. with yoga. 7, then go for your daily routine. At 8 you will be at breakfast. 9 class will start and it will go on till 9 p.m. The person, the Himachali who could not cross the road in Chandigarh, जब पहले दिन आए वो सड़क पर फिर पीछे आ जाते। जिसने कभी सड़क सीधी देखी थी, पर्सन फ्रॉम लाहौर स्पीति ऐसे ऐसे जा फिर पीछे आ गया। That was his performance. We had a video. With their parents, we had the meeting. After teaching this, on 45th day, they were a complete boy. Then we shifted 15 days training at plant training at Hyderabad. उनको सभी को हवाई जहाज से उड़ाया, जिन्होंने कभी पिक्चर देखी थी हवाई जहाज की, उनको ऐसे ही सेमिनार रूम में बिठाया। आपकी तो कुर्सी स्टैग्नेंट है, मैंने उनको ऐसे ऐसे घुमा के बिठाया कि देखो सूरज कहाँ है, वो ऐसे ऐसे घूम रहे थे, मोटिवेटेड। It was in 2006. 45 days at Punjab University, 15 days at Hyderabad. It was a complete. इन सभी की पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट करा के लड़कियों के लिए लड़कियों की ब्यूटिशियन पूरी करवा दी, आईब्रो बनवा दी है, वो कर दिया, ये कर दिया, हेयर स्टाइल चेंज कर दी, बच्चों को खड़ा होना सिखा दिया, पैंट कोट। On 6th day, they have changed their total dress. Here is Dr. Reddy with care. With this, you are ready for attack. Total, even parents could not identify he is the same child which we handed over to you. The first thing was managing self, paying regards to parents. जब वो वापस गया, हर कोई अपने माँ बाप के पाँव हाथ रखे। वो कह रहा कभी उठता ही नहीं था ये तो 8 बजे तक, कभी नमस्ते ही नहीं करता था, बीड़ी फूकता रहता था। तो इसको क्या कर दिया, क्या खिलाया इसको? डेली आइसक्रीम खिलाता था, विद डिनर विद लंच, जी भर के खिलाया। 4 खाने खाने खा, 6 खाने खा, बट यू आर सब्जेक्ट टू my yardstick, my evaluation. If you will not come up, we will send you back. This was in 2006. On competition, all these employees were declared excellent employees of Dr. Reddy ever recruited. मिथवाल हिमाचली बेवकूफ होते हैं, and report was they were the excellent. The order was repeated in 2007. वो कह रहे यार 60 और बना दे अब आदमी। The last order, last month I have completed in 2009. 60, 2006, 60 student, 2007, 2009 they again came in January. Then I took the condition. या मैं ऐसे मेरी कंडीशन लगाओ, we will give this opportunity to only those candidates जिसके परिवार में कोई नौकरी नहीं है. Go for search. Boys 10+2 with science background, but nobody else at home is at नौकरी either private or government. अब ऐसे हमने 60 बच्चे चुने सारे हिमाचल से. And the last day, senior director from Hyderabad came purposely to see there. The first day he was there. The day we started, we had everyday video, but it changes his personality. But he was now 15th day, 30th day, 25th day. First day he was there, last day he was there. So, industry institute interface, provided there must be mutual interest, there is a need to take new initiatives. For converting this every boy, I charge 20,000 rupees per boy. क्योंकि मैं स्कूल में सुना करता था, मास्टर कहता था गधे तुझे आदमी बनाऊंगा. गधे को आदमी कैसे बनाएगा? जब छोटी क्लास में था ना तो मास्टर ने कहा तू गधा आया था तुझे आदमी बना के भेजूंगा. एक मारना, दो मारना, मारी जा. तो मैं सोचा कि गधे को आदमी कैसे बनाता है. When I left my schooling ना, तो he was reporting every day when he was discussing the things ना, तो 15 दिन के बाद वो चिट्ठी निकालता था अपने झोले में से. जब तुम 25 साल बाद हो गए बड़े तो कुर्सी लक्कड़ की नहीं होगी. शाम को सर किसकी होगी? कहता प्लास्टिक. फिर दूसरा लड़का सर दीवार, उसने कहना प्लास्टिक. सर फैन प्लास्टिक. तो लड़के कह रहे थे दौरा पड़ गया इसको. Every fortnightly he was communicating this message. तो हम कहते थे मास्टर जी को दौरा पड़ गया. तो ऐसे पीछे से आवाज आनी सर मेज, उसने कहना प्लास्टिक. सर पंखा प्लास्टिक. तो बाहर निकली जाना बच्चों ने कि दौरा पड़ गया इसको. तो जैसे बाहर से आ रहे हो पहले बता देना कि दौरा पड़ा हुआ, कोई जरूरत नहीं जाने की. वो पहले वाले रह जाते थे आगे बैठे. इट वाज और मास्टर कहता था मैं गधों को आदमी बना दूंगा. Now actually when I entered the teaching profession exact after 25 years, when I was purchasing the chair for my garden, the chair which I visualizing, evaluating, it was of the plastic. जैसे मैंने चेयर टच की मेरी सारी बॉडी में सनसनी फैल गई. The master to whom I am declared ये पागल है. ये तो वही 25 साल हुए हैं, ये वही प्लास्टिक है. Then I requested, visited my hometown, asked the master कि सर मैं भी टीचर बन गया हूँ, वो कैसे आप प्रेडिक्शन करते थे. Then he communicated it's but now the prediction. It was sharing of experience. My son was in America. He was writing fortnightly to me, कि Papa, these are the changes. Things are the partition between my and my class fellow roommate is of plastic. Fan is of plastic, table is of plastic, chair is of plastic, and it will take 25 years to reach this type of culture in India. Now technology advancement is there, whatever is happening in America, instantly available. So we have to take all the initiatives. There is a need for environment. In environment, government role. Environment NGOs, environment corporate sector leaders, then as ICCI, CII, all these, then self. All initiatives should be there. There must be a support system. Government has already Entrepreneur Development Institute of India is there, right? In which direction they are going? First of all, government must remove this 10th class barrier for getting loan. If the 10-year experience is there, doing the same job, let CII give excellence certificate to that पंचर वाला, और किसी से पंचर लगा के दिखाओ, ITI में लड़के से पंचर लगा के दिखाओ. Let the skill must be recognized. One is knowledge, other is skill, third is attitude. Knowledge is that degree, skill is there. Must recognize skill if you want that India should enter a big way. Quantitatively we are big number, 110 करोड़ कर गए. Qualitatively we are 10 करोड़. Quantitatively 110 करोड़. Qualitatively 10 करोड़ है. How to convert all these persons? I have another experiment. मैं झुंगी झोपड़ी से बच्चों को लेके आया जो सब खेलते थे. एज वाल 70. ओके. देन आई सेड कि काम करना चाहते हो? कहते हाँ. फर्स्ट आई इंक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम ठेकेदार. वो रोज ठेका चलता था यूनिवर्सिटी में, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर. उसका काम क्यों नहीं होता? प्लम्बर ही नहीं मिल रहे, प्लम्बर ही नहीं मिल रहे. प्लम्बर कहाँ नहीं मिल रहे? 110 करोड़ की आती है. कितने प्लम्बर चाहिए? इतने प्रोजेक्ट है, प्लम्बर नहीं मिलते. मुझे तो 100 प्लम्बर दे दो, लगा लूंगा. पड़ोस में मेरे 25 सेक्टर है. जो 17 सेक्टर के 17 साल की उम्र वाले थे सभी को कहा जो प्लम्बर बनना चाहता हाथ खड़ा करो. 20 लोगों ने कहा कि मैं प्लम्बर बनना चाहता हूँ. कम ऑन. One trained plumber I have hired from the market who knows everything. उनको यूनिवर्सिटी के एक कमरे पे अड्डा लगवाया, चूड़ी चढ़वानी सिखाई, टुट्टी चढ़ानी सिखाई. सभी को 15 दिन में प्लम्बर का कोर्स करवा दिया. और ठेकेदार को कहा रखी सभी को. एंड ही इज एप्रिशिएटिंग. कमाल के जो बच्चे हैं बांदर की तरह चढ़ जाते हैं. 30वीं मंजिल पे पाइप पड़ गई. मेरी ज्यादा इज आस्किंग फॉर स्टेयर. ये सीढ़ी है, कहाँ जाऊंगा? सो व्हाट इज वी आर थिंकिंग ऑफ MBA, वी आर थिंकिंग ऑफ दिस. इतनी खोल दी IIT खोल दो, IIM खोल दो, नीचे से बेस नहीं. People are trying for job. First they get the job, then this. The same experiment I have doing in my university from where I am director now. University Institute Applied Management Sciences. We are producing MBA, MBA Finance, MBA Marketing, MBA HR, MBA this. One of my friends said, "यार तेरा MBA चलता नहीं है, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी वाला." Then I asked, "What's wrong with it?" He said, "I employed that MBA in pharmaceutical company. When he was visited at doctors, the doctor asked, what is the effect of this salt on human body?" He said, "यार डॉक्टर क्यों पूछी जा रहे हो? Make the sale बढ़ाओ, 5 लाख हम आपको कार्ड में भेजेंगे, बात करो." Because candidate was BCom MBA. उसे साल्ट का पता ही नहीं. Now I started MBA Pharmaceutical Management. Only 22 seats and all the candidates must be B Pharma. Domain based. All 22 they have yet to complete their MBA. Pharmaceutical companies are after them. यार ये मुझे दे देना. While giving admission, I requested all my pharmaceutical friends, now you should be on the board of member for admission. उसी समय यार ये बच्चा बोलता ये मेरे लिए वो करते हैं. Now when that B Pharma with the MBA will go to doctor, he will tell everything. We started MBA Hospital Management. Who is eligible candidate? Doctors only. B.Ed, PDS, MBBS, MD, nursing, all doctors. Because he knows Otherwise, marketing for or HR for hospital, simple, BCom can't do. I started the next experiment, MBA retail management, graduate from any site. We have started the initiative differently. When I was a student, it was board and chalk system. Then after this, it was overhead projector. थोड़ी सी ऑटोमेशन आई. ये था मैकेनिकल, it was manual. Now this LCD automation. That was the first stage, second stage. Then it was case study system, MBA. When I started teaching, giving a case studies. Then last phase, role playing. That was our teaching methodology. I asked one boy, "Beta, you are a seller. Beta, you are a buyer. You are a personal manager. You are production manager." Role play कराता था. ये बेच रहा है, ये खरीद रहा है. ना इसके टेंशन है बेचने की, ना इसको टेंशन है खरीदने की. हंसी जा रहे दोनों. This time, MBA retail management, I sent all my 45 students to Big Bazaar. Let there be real. The present phase is reality, real show. That they were arranging 5 days mega, वो कर रहे थे ना पीछे 15 अगस्त को. The whole show was managed by Punjab University MBA Retail Management. We listed the projects: crowd management, traffic management, accounts, backup, everything. A team of 3 are watching. Now he is a genuine seller, buyer is somebody else. अब मेरा बच्चा बेच के रखा है उस शर्ट को. That is known real. He rightly said that 2 months training is normal. We have acted properly. Let it be reality. Now Diwali, again people will be there to see how difficult it is to sell the product. So teaching new initiative from chalk, this, then this, then this, this. This I learned. I was in Hyderabad, where there was a director in clay at business school. All over the world, directors were there. They conveyed the message. There is a need, earning and learning. Send the student to that situation. Don't create dummy. Dummy days are over. So now, all the persons who are on my roll, employer are after them. So my purpose of communicating, there is a need to create an environment. New initiative required to enhance the entrepreneur. Use the experience of outstanding innovators to encourage others to move beyond the set cells. Identify who are the good innovators. There must be a communication. टेलीविजन पे भी एक प्रोग्राम आना चाहिए जो लोग देखें. सास बहू आई जा रही है, ओल्ड. Let there be innovative series. Inspired by real and practical stories, how passionate and persistent people can accomplish what others think is impossible. I am the one who started the series. Under this, they are putting a project to the candidate कि जाओ भी गांव में जाओ, पूछो ये कैसे करता है. What is it? If research is doing, it may be an innovative idea. he is given a story that this prayer, he was praying that medicine on crop, ऐसे ऐसे करता था, only hands were using, थक गया, then the farmer himself started किया, ऐसे ऐसे पंप करता हूँ, ये चलता भी हूँ, उसने पंप वाला पैर के नीचे रख लिया, दोनों हाथ ऐसे जैसे मोबाइल लगा लिया, पैर जब चलता है तो प्रेशर आएगा, नहीं स्प्रे करेंगे। So IIM Ahmedabad identified this innovation, get it licensed, patented, hired the agency. The onward pump will not be this one. This is the other way. Put the pressure. ऐसे चल रहा है, ऐसे चल रहा है, पूरी बॉडी का प्रेशर है, इतनी दूर तक धार जा रही है। So that is how innovation is required. So inspired by real and practical stories of how passionate and persistent people, मैंने पहले बताया एजुकेशन एंड इंटेलिजेंस कोई कोरिलेशन नहीं, persistent people can accomplish but others think impossible. If I am leaving everything in the hands of educated person, और शिक्षा के लिए सिंपल बुक बनाई, बॉम्बे से बन के आई, रिटन बाई IIFs, इंट्रोड्यूस करना हवाई जहाज, क्योंकि एक हवाई जहाज से उतरा, एक में चल गया, इसे तो हवाई जहाज आ रहा है। When I am teaching this हवाई जहाज to a villager जो एक्चुअली अनपढ़ है, समझने लगा, हवाई जहाज जो उड़ता है, पता लग गया, कहता क्या, कहता कबूतर, नहीं जो ऊपर चले जाता वो भी उड़ता है, कहता क्या, चील, तो चील ऊपर तक देख उड़ती। Then we converted हल, इसका समझ गया, तो समझना क्या, सारा रोज तो खा के लेके जाओ, तो इसमें क्या समझने वाली बात है, कौन सी चीज नहीं सिखा रहे हो? Environment matters. IIM Ahmedabad started teaching to villagers by their folk songs. जहाँ के वो उनके गुजराती सॉन्ग से जो का से गाना शुरू होता है वो सिखाया, बोल भी तू। Lady is singing a song, he sing, ये का आ गया, जो तो हमें पहले ही आता है, मेरा पहाड़िया बेवकूफ नहीं है। We can do it in our own Indian way by creating environment, motivation, behavior. So there is a need, government initiative, that is Entrepreneur Development of India is there. Then corporate sector, as CIL Thapar, Bharti has also started, Bharti Entrepreneur. Then there is a need for NGOs to come forward. There is a need for bankers giving the advertisement. State Bank of India is giving, Canara Bank is giving. Canara Bank ने तो बोर्ड ही लगा दिए बड़े बड़े, giving a particular Joshi, the successful entrepreneur. State Bank of India is giving advertisement of individual, यार बहुत बढ़ गए, and other private that financer, वो सरदार जी है ना, स्कूटर में लेके आता है, उसके पीछे बैठ के, यार जगह कम हो गई सी, it must, the same way there must be page in newspaper covering the story of successful entrepreneur, that is media role. Then special program must be there, awareness, there must be recognition on state level, there must be recognition by banker, there must be recognition by CII, PhD, Chamber of Commerce. At Ludhiana, small scale industry people, they have started their own organization. They have given the topic on that day. It was think big, Dream big for building new future. They're sitting together, thinking together. Let there be initiative at industry level. For motivation, I have given the biggest motivation will be hurdle removal. Like it is not ITI or 10 plus, they are eligible for loan. There must be eligibility on the basis of skill also. Recognition of self-employed. Just see the hell of the game. In my university, Punjab University, we have evening college. They are saying in evening college admission is open to those who are employees and employees of private sector, public sector, get the certificate from your employer. The person is self-employed, employment. No admission to self-employed. I raised the first point, how you can refuse to self-employed. After a struggle, they allowed, okay, self-employed is allowed, provided he is a CA, provided he is an engineer, provided he is an architecture, provided is this. Again वो पंचर वाला गया, admission नहीं ले सकता. Self-attestation is a problem. Same is at Indira Gandhi National Open University. For MBA, you must be an employee. Now we have added, you even self-employed, self-attestation. Let the turnover of the person should be there. If the turnover is 10 lakhs, no need. Let him learn. So this self-employed must be part of definition of employee. No need for certification. Then this is knowledge skill. बच्चा मोबाइल रिपेयर सीख रहा है, it is more than sufficient. Agency is private. He has very rightly said. Let there be certification from CII. Let there be social responsibility. AICT. लोगों ने जहाँ प्रॉफिट था सभी ने बिजनेस स्कूल खोल ली, हर एक इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट ने अपना बिजनेस स्कूल खोल लिया. क्यों? क्योंकि मार्केट है, वर्किंग कैपिटल पहले आ जाती है. बच्चों से 3 लाख तो पहले ले लिया, टीचर को तो बाद में देना. वर्किंग कैपिटल प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो गई, बिल्डिंग अपनी बन रही है, कॉलेज फेल हो गया, इसको होटल में बना दूंगा, सब जीटी रोड के किनारे बन रहे हैं. They have alternative plans. Nobody is thinking for the career of student. And AICT is giving bulk में दे रही है. जैसे पता लगा सुबह AICT बंद होनी है, रात को 113 कॉलेजेस को एप्लीकेशन दे दी. In Punjab, B.Ed colleges opening the big. हर साइकिल शेड, हर पोल्ट्री फार्म वाले ने B.Ed खोल दिया. पोल्ट्री तो आधी, वो मुर्गियां निकाल के पैसे देने वाली, सीधे अंडे देने वाली मुर्गी रखी B.Ed वाली. सारे फेल हो रहे हैं. Everybody got the license from B.Ed. कितना जी 120 जी लगेंगे कहाँ? पहले पढ़ाने वाला कौन है? अब 1 by 1 seats within Punjab 10,500, कैंडिडेट 7,000. अब एक शटडाउन हो रहा. मुर्गियां भी गई, ये मुर्गी भी गई. So big people, they think with profitability. We have to compromise. I have to see genuine. When there is a fire to teach, only B.Ed given to that person. जहाँ मैं पहले वर्किंग कैपिटल ले लो 3 लाख इससे ले लिया, टीचर रखा नहीं, अगर रखा तो एक रख लिया. एंड इज कंपेलिंग, सर साइन मारो क्या रखा आपने, हमने सुबह रख लेना है. आई एम सेइंग ही इज नॉट क्वालिफाइड, जब तक क्वालिफाइड रख देते हैं सुबह निकाल देंगे, कोई बात नहीं, इंस्ट्रक्शन पूरी हो गई। What type of teacher we are producing? What type of engineer we are producing? There is a need for vacuum is there. Engineer चाहिए कंट्री को, MBA चाहिए कंट्री को, मगर it must be branded MBA. After वो नहीं, पहले 5वीं का एग्जाम खत्म कर दिया बोर्ड, अब 8वीं का खत्म कर दिया, अब 10वीं का भी कर दिया। इसको क्या आएगा जब फर्स्ट टाइम ये बोर्ड में 12वीं में बैठेगा? How he can feel the shock of that board? पहले बच्चा 5 पास करके देखता था, I was तो टेंशन होती थी। टेंशन is a growth. Without stress, no growth. Manageable tension must be there. We must manage the tension. If it is tension free life, ये तो जानवर बन गया, जहाँ आ गया खा लिया, गाय की तरह, कभी घास खा लिया, कभी प्लास्टिक खा लिया, पता ही नहीं क्या खाना। Here we are going, we are creating human beings, intellectual। जानवरों की तरह, जैसे गाय देखो ना, घास नहीं वाला प्लास्टिक खाई जा रही है, गाय के अवसर हो रहा है। Same way, what is required? Is the need. Recognize that person if you want to give certificate who is a skill by learning. रामगढ़िया तो पहला ही इंजीनियर होता है। रामगढ़िया, I belong to Ludhiana. We imported the machine in 70. 12 wheels कहते थे, उस पर 12 स्वेटर एकदम उतरते हैं। It is imported from England. कहते हैं 12 wheels, 12 wheels. There are ordinary person from particular family known as रामगढ़िया। तो खोल कर खाएगा इस सोसाइटी को, बोलनी बंद कर, तो सुबह मेरे से ले जाना ये। Within fortnight, 100 machines were there in the market. 12 बिल्ली कहते हैं, 12 wheels, 12 बिल्ली लिया कर सामने बात रामगढ़िया ने बना दी। An engineer can't. Earlier we were sending our engineer to Japan, learn how to open, how to close, how to this. वो 8वीं पास पता नहीं गया स्कूल के नहीं, खोल के बना कर पढ़ा पूरी रामगढ़िया। And they are giving much productivity, higher productivity. We have to recognize that. See where is the skill. That is the need. New initiative for entrepreneurship is required. Recognizing the skill. Creating hurdles. Hurdle is a growth. Giving certificate, वो तो सिर्फ बोर्ड बन गई एक, क्योंकि 18 साल का हो गया, नलायक था, फिट फॉर पॉलिटिशियन, क्योंकि अब 10वीं पास ही नहीं हो रही थी उससे। अब उसे लोन भी दिलाना है, तो 10वीं ले जाओ। What type of nation I am creating? What type of entrepreneur I am creating? At the one time, I am ignoring those skillful. अंग्रेज की कार खराब हो गई पुरान प्लेस में, मैकेनिक बुला रहा, वहां मारुति के दे रहा, वो दे रहा, साइड बाय बाय से कर दूं ठीक, तो नहीं वेट, फिर आया कर दूं ठीक, तो वेट, शाम पड़ गई, अल्टीमेटली कर देंगे, उसने खोला, उधर किए, सेट कर दिया, स्टार्ट किया, हो गया, अंग्रेज asking what you have done. Your work is over now. It's okay. It's okay. Now what you have done? What this technology you have applied? Then जुगाड़. Oh, जुगाड़ technology. Laptop लेके बैठ गया. वो कौन सा मार रहा है जुगाड़ technology लग गया. Where is जुगाड़? From which school you have learned जुगाड़? सुरेर की कार खड़ी रही, अगले 8 घंटे वेस्ट करते जुगाड़ टेक्नोलॉजी का बोलते। So we can do with reference to our Indian environment. my submission is, once you are here, give the pressure, let it. Skill must be recognized. I am feeling painful when I am watching that activity. वही आदमी पंचर पे लपरेटे को लगा रहा था, वही पंचर आज मेरी गाड़ी को लगा रहा है। मैं तो कहां से कहां पहुंच गया। उसके बच्चे भी शादी करने वाले हैं, जितना वो पैसा लेता है मनी लेंडर से सारा ब्याज के रूप में निकल जा रहा है। अगेन इस क्राइम कि रात को नींद नहीं आती, अब तुझे तो हालत होगी कि शराब पी के सोना पड़ता है। पहले ब्याज ले गया और शराब ले गई, एंड ही विल डाई वन डे। Had government appreciated the quality of work of individual, of a lady who is printing the cloth, who is stitching the cloth, मेरे पास एक दर्जी है, वो जैसे था वैसे ही है, डिसेबल्ड है क्योंकि वो 5 क्लास पास है, पाकिस्तान से आया था, नहीं पढ़ सका, कोई लोन नहीं उसे दे रहा। गुड लक क्या है, यूनिवर्सिटी के पास है, लड़कियां आती हैं, हॉस्टलर रिपेयर पूरे करा के ले जाती है। And he has applied so many times, every door he has knocked, but no. A category tailor doing only that rafu, that repairs work, क्योंकि 10वीं पास नहीं है। Here is the hurdle remove. 10वीं का बोर्ड खत्म करना प्रॉपर हर्डल रिमूवल नहीं है। Recognize the skill. So you can ask any question if there is a need. मैं बीच बीच में पंजाबी बोल रहा हूँ, सबको क्लियर है ना? बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया। Any question please? Sir. Dream big. The think big, dream big for building new future. This was conducted. Earlier there was no body. Now small, medium sole trader created a body known as Chamber of Industrial and Commercial Undertaking at Ludhiana. CICU. They are doing, let there be activity. They started. We should think big, dream big, go far, better. So,
one question. We are told only below metric, but above metric also well qualified, well educated people are suffering in the society. Take the example, coding example of entrepreneurs. They are also suffering. Government has planned to give 18 hours electricity. They are not able to provide even 8 hours. They are suffering for that one. But we are failing to planning every planning we are failing. Second example is there. People are fools in our country who are paying bills, who are paying their money back. Take the example in my Haryana. 60,000 crores rupees has been abolished by poor people. They are not poor. So why people are, the government is not taking step for these entrepreneurs? This is not to take care. There's ups and downs are there in the business also. So as planners, as you are well qualified, well educated people, why we are not getting to our planners? Basic idea is this one, sir.
Because first, those even industries, they are not paying bill. Because the penalty is less than the rate of interest.
Sir.
Okay, na? Penalty is if you will not pay, you see your own bill. उसके नीचे लिखा है 12,000 का बिल है, अगर नहीं पे करोगे 230 रुपए फाइन होगा। 12,000 का ब्याज निकाल के देख, वो निकलता 600, मैं क्यों बिल पे करूं? ठीक है ना? दूसरा, मैं कुंडी डालता हूं, दैट इज अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर। आई एम पेइंग, आप बिजली रीडर आओ, मैं आपको कहता हूँ भैया तूने क्या लेना है, ले 100 का नोट, कुंडी अच्छी पक्की करके जा 8 बजे, सवेरे 8 बजे आके उतारना, दिन को तो लाइट आनी नहीं है। Unless until the individuals are not disciplined, why China is growing? That is a disciplined economy. अगर पता लग जाए गोली पड़ेगी, अब डरता है। कि लाइट का कनेक्शन लगाऊं तो मेरे गोली खाऊं, ऐसे बुलट करता है। Their growth rate is much higher because it is disciplined. Here it is a totally indisciplined economy. How to go? How to democratic doesn't mean indisciplined. Right now, it is both sides. The way I am availing, मैं टेबल लेने गया, वो कह रहा जी 13,500 का है। यार इतना, मेरे साथ इंजीनियर था, उसने उसकी कॉस्टिंग करके दिखा दी, पता यार 6,000 का है। अल्टीमेटली वो सेट किया, हमने कुछ नहीं देना, दफा कर, बता कितने का। एंड ये सप्लाई टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया 13,500। फिर पूछा विचार बना लो, बिल्कुल नहीं लेना, कहता बिल्कुल नहीं लेना, कहता आपको 9,000 का, 4,500 हम पास होने में देते हैं इसको। 6,000 कॉस्टिंग है, 9,000 रुपये वो देने को तैयार है क्योंकि उसका रीजनेबल प्रॉफिट। इवन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज परचेजिंग द सेम फर्नीचर 13,500। अब आप देख लो कहाँ इकोनॉमी जाएगी। इतने नोट प्रिंट होने के बाद भी कंगाल है। अब तो पाकिस्तान में मदद करने लग गया चलो।
But sir, everything we know regarding these things, but what are the remedies for the same?
रेमेडीज मैनेज योरसेल्फ।
Yes.
तू अपनी कसम खा के रिश्वत नहीं लेनी।
Start
मैं
from
दूसरे को झाड़ू फेरने में लगा हुआ हूँ, ठीक है ना? आई मस्ट बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर